Next one is 2016 Panini Certified. You're going to have 10 packs, 4 hits, usually 2 autos, 2 jerseys. 2016 Panini Certified. Got a really, nope, just a lot of air in the pack. That was going to be a thick one. Alright, pack 1. Got a gold team. And there's a rookie. A couple things going on in this pack. Rookie for the Bucks, Vernon Hargreaves. Vernon Hargreaves. Numbered out of 999. Next, got a gold team for the Chargers, Joey Bosa. Gold team is not numbered, Joey Bosa. And a insert for the Lions, Calvin Johnson, not numbered. Next pack. I think there might be a hit. No, looks like a decoy. Skills. Got a rookie and an insert for the Patriots, Rob Gronkowski. Skills, not numbered. Rob Gronkowski. And a gold team for the Raiders, Connor Cook. This one's numbered out of 99. Connor Cook for the Raiders. Looks like a red parallel. Next pack. I got a blue parallel. Insert in a blue parallel. Oh, excuse me. For the Giants, Eli Manning. Excuse me. Eli Manning for the Giants. Not numbered. And the blue one for the Cardinals, Larry Fitzgerald. Blues are numbered out of 50. Number 35 out of 50. Larry Fitzgerald for the Cardinals. Let me get a drink real quick. Had something stuck in my throat. Alright, that's better. Still looking for all 4 hits. Got 7 packs left, I believe. And there should be hit number 1. Throw that to the back. Got a oh, nice, for the Bucks, Noah Spence, number 25 out of 25. Must be a gold. Noah Spence for the Bucks out of 25. Marshawn Lynch base. And oh, nice, I saw the name. Nice jersey, nice patch. Derrick Henry for the Titans. 3-color patch numbered out of 50. Nice one. Derrick Henry for the Titans. 18 out of 50. Nice patch. There's hit number 1 down. Still have 6 packs left. Decoy. Got a couple inserts. Super Bowl champions for the Packers, Aaron Rodgers. Aaron Rodgers. That is not numbered. And a Sunday certified Antonio Brown for the Steelers. Again, not numbered. 5 packs left, so looking for 3 hits. I see a redemption. That's not good. Thought Panini was getting away from redemptions. Bunch of punks. Got an Immortals for the Vikings, Chris Carter. Chris Carter Immortals out of $4.99. Chris Carter for the Vikings out of $4.99. And a redemption. DeAndre Washington, Mirror orange signatures. Freshman fabric. So, going to be an auto jersey orange. I think oranges are out of 25. DeAndre Washington. I know he went to Texas Tech. I don't know the NFL team, though. DeAndre Washington. Freshman fabric orange. Pretty sure it's out of 25. I'll have to look that one up, or somebody can look it up for me real quick. DeAndre Washington. Still got 4 packs left. Still 1 auto and 1 jersey should be. And nope, decoy. Got a couple inserts. For the Rams, Todd Gurley Gold Team. Todd Gurley Gold Team, not numbered. Skills insert for the Raiders, Khalil Mack. Khalil Mack for the Raiders. And a rookie for the Bears, Leonard Floyd, out of $9.99. Leonard Floyd. So we got 3 packs left. Still looking for 2 more hits. Come on. Looks like this one's going to be a hit. Got 4 base cards and just the hit. Alright, the hit. Tyler Eifert, jersey. For the Bengals. Tyler Eifert out of 149. Looks like, I'm not sure if that's an orange parallel or if it's just because Eifert's on the Bengals. Tyler Eifert for the Bengals out of 149. And looks like that DeAndre Washington is going to be the Raiders. The Raiders still got 1 hit left. 1 hit left, 2 packs. And decoy. Got 2 inserts. For the Texans, J.J. Watt. J.J. Watt. And Immortals for the Cowboys, Emmitt Smith out of $9.99. Emmitt Smith. Yeah, I knew DeAndre Washington was Texas Tech. DraftKings was good for something, I guess, for college football. Last pack, empty box. Should be our last auto. And that's backwards. Flip that to the back. Alright. Got a Super Bowl champions for the Cowboys. Michael Irvin. Yep, Michael Irvin. Michael Irvin for the Cowboys. That is not numbered. Got Dwayne Washington for the Lions. Dwayne Washington. Numbered out of $4.99. Dwayne Washington. And our last hit for the Giants, Sterling Shepard. Nice one, blue. Blue parallel actually looks good with the Giants. The Blues are numbered out of 50. Sterling Shepard for the Giants out of 50. Nice one.